Let's see condition for three straight lines to be concurrent. Consider lines a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, and a3x plus b3y plus c3 is equal to 0. If these lines are concurrent, they will pass through same point. Suppose this is expression L1, this is L2, and this is L3. This lines L1 is equal to 0, L2 is equal to 0, L3 is equal to 0 are passing through same point. When this happens? When point of intersection of this two straight line satisfy third line. So let's first of all solve first two lines for their point of intersection. When we solve first two lines by cross multiplication method, we have this solution x upon this determinant, y upon this determinant is equal to 1 upon this determinant. Solving this, we get x is equal to b1c2 minus b2c1 upon a1b2 minus a2b1, and y is equal to c1a2 minus c2a1 upon a1b2 minus a2b1. Now this point of intersection will satisfy third line because three lines are concurrent. So we have this condition when we put this coordinates in equation of third straight line, a3 multiplied by this plus b3 multiplied by this y coordinate of point of intersection plus c3 is equal to 0. Multiply throughout by a1b2 minus a2b1. So we have this equation. Okay, now these are in fact expansion of two order determinant. So we have a3 multiplied by b1 c2, and here we have b2 c1. b3 we can put here minus sign, so we have a1 c2 and this is a2 c1. We have taken here minus sign plus c3 times we have a1 b2 and here we have a2 b1 is equal to 0. We can interchange rows to column. We can also write this determinant like this, b1 b2 c1 c2 minus b3 times a1 a2 c1 c2 plus c3 times a1 a2 b1 b2. This is equal to 0. Now this is expansion of third order determinant which has first row a3 b3 c3 and other two rows are a1 b1 c1 and a2 b2 c2. This determinant is equal to 0. Now we have here solved first two lines and their point of intersection is satisfying third line. If we solve second and third line and put its point of intersection in first line, then we will get A1 B1 C1, A2 B2 C2, A3 B3 C3 is equal to 0. In fact, we can take order of lines anyone. In fact, it is property of a determinant. If we interchange rows and columns, and if we have a 0 on RHS, we don't have any change in the equation. So this is condition for three lines to be concurrent. The determinant of coefficients is 0. The order of rows can be anyone.